Welcome to this presentation on machine learning in astronomy. This research was conducted by Ajit Kemavi et al. And published in 16th October 2022. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. The vast quantities of data now available in astronomy due to surveys like the Sloan Digital Sky Survey and the Subaru Hyper Suprime CAM survey necessitate the use of artificial intelligence techniques such as machine learning ML and deep learning DL. These techniques are essential for extracting full scientific potential from large astronomical databases. The paper outlines several machine learning and deep learning algorithms including artificial neural networks ANN, random forest RF, and convolutional neural networks CNN. For star galaxy classification, it first discusses an early ANN-based approach using measured photometric parameters and then details a more recent CNN approach that operates directly on raw astronomical images, highlighting its advantage in avoiding manual feature extraction. In star galaxy classification using ANN with photometric parameters, an accuracy of 98.1 was achieved. A subsequent CNN approach using raw images achieved 97.4 accuracy for compact objects, dropping to 95.2 for faint compact objects. An ensemble of CNN and ANN MargNet yielded the highest combined accuracy of 98.1 and 96.9 for these cases. For LMXB classification, Random Forest demonstrated the best accuracy of 91 among the tested algorithm MES. The classification model for LMXBs, trained on RxTE data, is specific to that instrument and may not be directly applicable to spectra from other X-ray missions. However, the concept of transfer learning could be utilized to adapt the model for other instruments with limited data. Future improvements could involve incorporating additional information, such as power spectra, alongside energy spectra, to enhance classification accuracy for all sources. Machine learning and deep learning techniques are highly effective tools for addressing the challenges posed by large astronomical datasets. They have demonstrated significant success in tasks such as star galaxy classification, where CNNs can operate directly on raw image data, and in classifying low-mass X-ray binaries based on their X-ray energy spectra, with random forest proving to be a robust classifier.